Hello, I'm Pratiksha Bhosle, and today's my topic is case study. The first one study is the Rofacobics, Vovex withdrawal. In pharmacovigilance, the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or drug-related problem is crucial in ensuring drug safety. The case of Rofe Coxib, commonly known by its brand name Vivox, provides a significant example of pharmacovigilance at work. This non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, approved in 1999, was initially celebrated for its effectiveness in managing pain and inflammation while reducing gastrointestinal side effects compared to traditional NSAIDs. However, its eventual withdrawal in 2004 underscored the importance of robust pharmacovigilance system. Uh, uh, Vivox was developed by Merck and Co. Operative and approved for treating a condition like osteoarthritis, acute pain, and dysmenorrhea. Its mechanism, selective inhibition of the cyclooxygenase 2 COX2 enzyme, allowed for reduced gastrointestinal side effects while maintaining efficacy. By 2003, Vivox was a blockbuster drug generating billions in revenue. However, early clinical trials and post-marketing surveillance began to reveal a concerning trend. Evidence suggested that patients taking Vivox had an increased risk of cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes compared to those on placebo or other NSAIDs. Pharmacovigilance system in action. Signal detection. Adverse events were first identified during clinical trials, but the increased risk of cardiovascular event was not statistically significant at that time. As the drug gained widespread use, spontaneous adverse event reporting system and observational studies began to capture data suggesting to potential link between Vivox and cardiovascular risks. Key studies like the Vivox gastrointestinal outcome research trial designed to evaluate gastrointestinal safety also highlighted cardiovascular concerns. The trial showed that patients taking Vivox experience a significantly higher incidence of heart attack compared to these on naproxen. Risk assessment and data analysis. Post marketing surveillance played a pivotal role in analyzing the growing data. Regulatory agencies like the US FDA and independent researchers would review the cumulative evidence. The FDA issued warning and requested additional studies to confirm the findings. Meanwhile, Merck conducted its international analysis. Although they initially argued that the increased cardiovascular risk was due to a protective effect of naproxen rather than an adverse effect of Vivox. Subsequent studies contradicted this hypothesis. The regulatory action by 2004, the adenomatous poly prevention on Vivox trial provided definitive evidence of increased cardiovascular risk associated with long-term Vivox use. The study showed that a patient on Vivox had a higher risk of myocardial infarction and strokes after 18 months of continuous use. Faced with mounting evidence, Merck voluntarily withdrew Vivox from the global market on September 30, 2004. The FDA and other regulatory bodies subsequently reviewed the case to enhance post-marketing surveillance system. The Vivox case highlighted several critical aspects of pharmacovigilance: importance of post-marketing surveillance, transparency and communication, strengthening pharmacovigilance system, global collaboration, um, the impact of on public health and industry. The withdrawal of Vivox affected millions of patients who relied on the drug for pain management. It also resulted in significant financial and reputational damage to Merck, with billions paid in legal settlements. On a broader scale, its food reforms in a drug safety monitoring and prompted the pharmaceutical industry to adopt more rigorous pharmacovigilance practices. The Voivo's case is a stark reminder of the critical role pharmacovigilance plays in safeguarding public health. By enabling the early detection of the adverse drug reaction and facilitating informed regulatory decision, pharmacovigilance protects patients and fosters trust in the healthcare system. Continuous improvement in this field are essential for ensuring that the benefit of medication outweigh their risk. Thank you.